I hadn't made a video in a while, and I wanted to show you my pineapple plant before I repotted it. I tend to repurpose a lot of things, and I put this particular plant in a container that was a little bit bigger than this. And what I do is, if I have a project and I don't really have time to take care of it at the time, I will go ahead and use what I have. So I just repurpose this container, and then I put the top of the pineapple plant that I'd cut off and put it in an area where it wasn't exposed to a lot of sun, and I just kept watering it so that it didn't dry out. Now the issue with using containers like that is, you see the root formation. It's starting to, hopefully you can see this, starting to coil on itself. And so that can cause problems as far as the growth. And the only reason, again, that I did that was because I didn't have time to put it in a proper container. I do that with others as well. And let me show you my ginger. This ginger plant is probably, goodness, almost 2 feet tall. And it'd probably be doing a lot better if it were in a different container. So this is what I'm going to be putting this in. This is just a frosting bucket. I have the hose drilled, 4 holes here, and then I have my little drainage so that it will drain properly. And then if you look out there, you may recall from previous videos, I simply get about 10 inches of this pipe, cut it in half, and I will put a link to the video so you can see that. And that's what's at the bottom, so that this does not become waterlogged. So I'm going to repot this, but I just wanted to show you how simple it is to regrow your groceries. This plant is, I'm going to keep this inside because I don't have a proper greenhouse yet. And the same thing with my ginger. Once I do have a greenhouse where I can keep things heated and climate controlled that require those kind of conditions, I will do so. But I just wanted to share that with you. There's no reason that you can't grow some of your own food.